Hi, this is Matt with Shading Texas. I'm out in beautiful Austin today where we put one of our tension track systems up. Now this one's a little bit of a different situation because this is a bug screen. That's why you can see through it so well. You can see here, everything is nice and easy to see through. And he's actually putting a fixed panel on the side. Now this is a great option for those of you that want to get the fixed patio feel, but don't want to have to break it up with all these posts for the fixed panels. Having a nice system that you've got tension tracks on the side and a great housing across the top with a nice axle and the bottom bar here means that you don't have to put posts every 4 feet like a lot of other fixed screen situations are. And then when you don't need the screen, let's say you want to move some big patio furniture in or whatever that may be, you just roll it up and you can go in and out of the patio really conveniently, so you don't get kind of pigeonholed with the structure that you would have to have for a traditional fixed screen patio. And so everything just works great like this. Now they opted to go with a nice dark color to match their soffits and everything, but we do have colors that match on the sidings and whatnot. But you can just see here, like, they get the patio back when they don't need these screens, and they don't have to lose the view that they normally get. Everything that you see that's metal comes with a lifetime warranty, and all of our Somfy motors are smart home friendly. So if you are interested in getting a quote for your patio, feel free to visit us at shadingtexas.com, where we've provided yet another customer with sun out and life in. Thanks.